Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have four mockup these files in JPG. You can edit in mobile phone or in Paint or any other photo editing software. So here is 20 file in full high definitions. For example, I zoom this. You can see, and you can write your own text here. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop CC, and you see here the resolution is 6250 pixel, resolution is 300. Okay, for example, I write anything Sheri foods. So we need a stylish font, or depend your own self. I tell you, just for example, you better know how to edit this. Change, rename this. Okay, and write your any text here, anything I know you can do easily. 24 are in 7 days. Write your anything, depend your own self. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love is